What's up, dude? So today we are going to try to get this motor in the car. I got the mount sitting here, it's ready to go. I gotta pull the bike out, pull this car out, and then I'm gonna clean the garage up a little bit, clean the other car up a little bit because it's pretty dirty and grimy. And it's always easier to work on stuff when it's clean. So I'm gonna do that, pull it at least halfway in the garage, and then we'll get that off the stand, get the mount on, and we'll see how things fit. Hope you enjoy. Flashlight? Maybe not need one. Thank you. The Kafer bar tabs are in the way of the exhaust.
It's only the tab on that side though, right?
Only the tab on this side. And it's just barely. Just barely.
You can probably hammer it in and get it.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, because you can actually get this side on. The other side you can't get it on at all. This side. Oh, forget my light. This side. This is kind of hard to do one-handed. This way, this goes there, and like that, and that is full contact. It might just clear that frame horn. We might have to dent it a little bit or fold it in a bit, but it should clear the horn no problem, I feel. Alright guys, so it's been a long day. It's just afternoon, probably like 2-3 o'clock, I don't even know, I lost track of time. But as you can see, we got the motor in the car, exhaust is on. We definitely had to cut off the tabs to make everything fit. However, we believe we've got a new location where those can be welded. So what the plan currently is to yank this back out, pull the trans mount off. We've marked the trans mount with a Sharpie so we know where those tabs need to go. And instead of welding the tabs to the frame horns of the car, what we're going to do is weld them or have them welded to the trans mount. And then we can attach that Kafer bar. And from what we can tell right now, that should be no issue, should 100% work. So we're going to call my brother, see if he's down to do that work for us. Unfortunately, he's about 3 hours away. So what we're thinking about doing is pulling everything out and mailing it to him, have him welded at his house, and then just ship it back to us because that'll be cheap. So that's the current plan. I'll do a quick walk around, show you guys the motor, and see what you think. This car will not have a rear apron. As you can see, there's no way it's going to fit. Well, that's pretty much the car, guys. Hope you enjoy. Hope you liked the video. Do me a favor and subscribe if you're not already. And stay tuned because there's definitely much more to come. Thank you.